Okay, dear children, topic of the day is prepositions. What we have learned in class 2 about the preposition. So what are the words we used to use there? In, on, near, under, isn't it? So we are going to see more details about that. So topic of the day is prepositions now. Okay, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that indicates the position or a relation of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that indicates the position or a relation of a noun or a pronoun with another word in a sentence. Okay. So what are the noun? What are the pronoun? You know well. So now we are going to see the position as well as how that they are get related with that sentence. So what word that we are going to use? That only we are going to see under the preposition now. Yes. We take an example here. We are in the park. We are in the park. So if you see here, yes. So we are going to connect we as well as park by the word what? In. Yes, then only the sentence will be full form there. We are where? In the park. So here in. What is the in there? In is the preposition. We are where? In. So in is the preposition in the sentence. Here we'll go to the next. We'll take another one example there. Anil sat near his sister. Anil sat near his sister. So that connects. Which word is connect there? Connects Anil and sister? Near. Which one is? That near connects Anil and his sister. So both are where? So Anil sat where? Near his sister. Yes. So here near is the preposition. Yes. A preposition is placed before a noun. Where it should be? A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Very good, Satvika. Yeah. A preposition indicates what it indicates. Where? You see here, preposition indicates. What are the preposition indicates there? Where? Where someone or something is. Then when. When an event happens or happened. Then directions. So these three words. So that is related to the preposition only. So a preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. A preposition indicates what? Where someone or something is. When an event happens or happened. And directions. So let's learn one by one about where, when as well as directions. Where. So words like under where, in, so words like in, on, inside, outside, in front of, then behind, under, over, with. So what are they? In, on, inside, outside, in front of, behind, under, over, with. These words indicate what? Where someone or something is. Where is the noun? Where is the subject of that sentence is? So these words indicate where someone or something is. So now we have seen about where. Now we are going to see about the next one, when. Yes. For example, the gift is inside the box. The gift is where? Inside. So what we have seen about where only. So in where we use the words like in, on, inside, isn't it? Etc. So here if you see there, the gift is the box. So what it represents? Where is the gift? Isn't it? So where? Where is the gift? Inside is. So if you see that one, the gift is where? Inside. So inside is the word that represents the preposition of that sentence. The box. We'll take another one, when. Yes. Under when, words like until, within, so until, within, at, on, in, before, after, tells us when an event happens or happened. When an event happens or happened, these words until, within, at, on, in, before, after, these words tells us what? When an event happens or happened. Yes. For example, we'll take one. Sam goes for a walk after dinner. Sam goes for a walk. Okay, that has been completed word only. Sam goes for a walk. When he went, when it started, is after, isn't it? After dinner only he started his walk. The same manner, the show starts when. So what word is there? What word is there to connect that sentence? At, very good. At 8 p.m. So if you see that one in this two sentence, after as well as at. After and at shows the time when the event happened, isn't it? So we come to know that when the work has been started after dinner. Here, when show starts at 8 p.m. So here, these two words are preposition only. After and at shows the time that when the event happened. Is the last one, directions. Is directions like here, from, to. So words under the directions, from, to, through, across, along, etc. These words indicates directions. These words indicates which direction they went, which direction they are coming from. So these words that denotes the exact way from which direction they are. From, to, through, across, along, etc. These are also come under the preposition only. Understood, children? Now, we'll take one example based on the direction. The train runs through the tunnel. The train runs, if you forgot this, through the tunnel. So, where the train? So through, what it means? Moving in one side and out of the other side. So we know the tunnel how it should be, isn't it? So the train runs where? Through the tunnel, isn't it? So through the tunnel means moving one side and out of other side, that it represents through the tunnel. I walked where? Along the river. So here through as well as along are the prepositions in these sentences, isn't it? Through and long. These are showing the direction, how that they are moving, where that they are. So these are the preposition in these sentences. Understood that? Yes, children, now shall we begin our workbook exercise? Yes. Oh, get ready with your English workbook. Take your English workbook. Very good, Revant. Take your English workbook. Turn the page number 56. Turn the page number 56. Yes. All are get ready, children. All are get ready. I need answers in the chat box. Yes. Shall we move now? Yes. Page number 56. Page number 56. Yes. The first one they've given there. The brave knight carried the beautiful princess through the castle door. So through that represents directions, isn't it? Yes. Welcome to the B1. Underline the preposition as shown in the example. Now we are going to see the our terrified dog. That means feared dog. Disappeared. Where? So under here represents where. Under the bed. Preposition, isn't it? Yes. Welcome to the C1. The tiny crab is skirt where? Across the hot sand. Where it is? That means skirt means what? Move hurriedly with short quick step. Where they move? Which one is the answer there? What is the answer? Very good, Janvi. Across. Across means what? Whether it is when or where or direction. What it represents? Direction, isn't it? Across. So that is the preposition there. The D1, Anil sat near his sister. Very good. Where Anil sat there? Near. Where? Preposition. Very good, children. My screen is not clear for you. Yes, children? Is it clear or not? For everyone? Children, for everyone? Clear only, na? It's clear only. Yes, thank you, dears. Yes, ma. The next one, E1. Inside the dishwasher, the, what is that one? Fragile, easily, say that one. Yeah. So inside the dishwasher, the fragile glasses rattle noisily. What does it mean that fragile in the sense? Easily broken, this part. So what is the answer for that one? Where is the dishwasher? Where? Where it is? Inside. Yes, very good, children. Inside. So inside. Okay, F1. What happened, ma, children? The next one, F1. Cashew had to park his car behind the building. Behind, very good. Where he parked his car? Behind the building. Where? Very good. Yes. My mom's umbrella fell between the door
Book, ma'am.
and the bookshelf. And the bookshelf. So what is the answer there? So my mom's umbrella fell where? Between. Very good, Guru Prasad. Between.
Which book, ma'am?
Workbook exercise, dear.
EVS or English?
Litika, I started with EVS only, no? Sorry, English only, na? Litika, turn the page number 56. The H1, Kirti watched television until her parents came home. So how long that she watched there? Yes, until how long? Very good. Until her parents came home. Very good. The car is in the
Number?
garage. Where it is? Page number 56. The car is where? In the garage. In. Very good. Shall we move next page now? Yes, children? Very good. Page number 57. Yes. Okay. Page number 56. Second one. The prepositions in the sentence given below are wrong. Underline the wrong preposition and write the correct one in the space provided there. Yes. See the first one. The cat is sitting. So first we will mark the preposition there. Okay, children? First we'll mark the preposition. What are the first one? Under, here, above. Then the man fell up. Then here CD is under the CD player. Here the ship sailed below the sea. The car drove inside. The mouse where? Crept below. Below is the preposition. Tom walked where? Between Mary. Between. Then beneath. That means underneath. So now we are going, these are the preposition, but they're given in the wrong form only. Now we are going to what? Correct that now. What is the first one there? The cat is sitting under the carpet. Very good. Whether it is under or on. Very good. On the carpet. Very good, Sudashni Sri. Not Noma, on Janvi, Oyen on. Yes. The car drove above the road. What is the answer? Above the road? Where the car drove? Where can, yes, on the road. Very good, Sudarshini. On the road. Very good, Guru Prasad. Very good. The man fell up stairs. What is the answer? Fell up or what should be the answer? Fell down. Very good, Ridishna. Fell down. Okay. The CD is under the CD player. Where should be the CD should be? Under? Inside. Not in my inside. Inside the CD player. Inside. Yes. Very good, Sudashni. Inside. The ship sailed below the sea. Where should be the ship? Below? Above the sea. Very good, Guru Prasad. Above the sea. Very good. The next one. The car drove inside the bridge. Inside the bridge or over the bridge? Under the bridge. Under, otherwise you can say over. Not on the bridge, ma. You know the bridge how it should be, isn't it? Under or over the bridge. The mouse crept below the cheese. Creep. Past tense crept. So what is the creep means there? Move slowly. Where? Where? Below the cheese? No. On the cheese. On. On. On the cheese. The next one. Tom walked between Mary. Tom walked between Mary. No, behind or beside. Behind. Behind. Otherwise you can say beside. Beside Mary. Yes. The ghost was beneath the house. So what should be the answer? The ghost was inside or in the house. Inside. Yes. Inside or in. Okay, children? Okay, let's turn the next page. Shall we move the next page now? Yes. Try to follow me. Yes, children, go to the next page. I'm going to turn the next page now. Yes. Page number 57. Choose the correct preposition from the given word list to fill in the blanks for each sentence. Okay, they've given the preposition within the brackets, so we have to select and write, which is the correct suitable form for them. Okay, I ride my bicycle to work all the way. What is the answer for the first one, children? Try to give in the chat box now. I ride my bicycle to work all the way. All the way dash the mountain. I need answers. By the mountain, around the mountain, or up, way up. See that now. See the answers there. Very good. The second one, B1, the sign says, please don't sit. There is some board is there, that board sign says, please don't sit. Dash the grass. What is the answer maybe? Very good, Sukirtan. On. So please don't sit on the grass. Very good, Kailash. Janvi, no, don't write no, on, O-N on. Okay, the next one. He found an empty seat, dash the door. Dash the door. Just see that the answers are given there. You have to choose and write there. Beside the door. Is there any beside there? So no. What is the answer? Near. Near the door. Or beside. Near the door. Near Dikshita. Near. Near. Very good. Be careful. You will fall the stairs. Be careful. You will fall. What may be the answer? You will fall on Nile. Among. Among. If you see that one, answers you have to get from here only. Among. Among the stars. Page number, Shahid, you came late, I think so. Still you are searching the page there? Page number 57. Okay. Even it began to rain. So we all ran. Dash the house. Dash the house. Inside. Not into. Inside. Is there any inside there? No inside. So into our house. Into our house. Very good. Welcome here. He gave us directions and suggested to be drive about 5 miles. What may be the? Is there any map on there? After the sunset. After the sunset. After the sunset, then turn left. Yes, turn left where? Until we reach. Until we reach the town. Where? Towards highland. Towards highland. Okay. Try to follow me, dears. Okay. For the G1, we can't get dash the concert hall. We can't get where? Concert hall means music, otherwise dance performance hall only. Concert hall. We can't get into that, isn't it? We can't get into. Yes. Consent hall. Then without our tickets, someone from our group will need to go back where? To the hotel to get them. To get them. To. From as well as to denotes directions. Yes. H1, the United States of America is located dash Canada and Mexico. What is the answer maybe? In the middle of that one. The middle of that one. Between. Very good, Guru Prasad. Between. Between. Very good. I1. Let's have a picnic. Let's have a picnic. Where? Near. Near the lake. The water is so warm that we could jump where? In. In and go through. Through a swim. Okay, the next one. If you go dash the bridge, you will be dash a different country. If you go under the bridge, you will be in a different country. You will be in different countries. Yes. K1, would you like to go where for a walk? Where? Next, dash the river with dash along the river with me. To whom? With me. Yes, children. Completed now? Shall we turn the next page? Yes. Shall we turn the next page? Yes. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't shout, Darun. Okay, shall we move that one? Very good. So I'm going to Shahid, you came late. I think so. That's the reason that you didn't even complete first. Pratiksha, I'm going to turn that now. Okay, Chinde? Yes. Just turn the next page. Yes. Yes, look at here. Write one sentence. Yes. Write one sentence for each of the pictures given below. Look at here. The pictures they've given there. So we have to use preposition. We have to write sentence. So saying where the dogs and cats are. Okay, the first they've given there for the A1. Now we are going to take the sentence for the B1. The first one they given, where is the dog there? The dog is sitting on the chair. So now we are going to write for the B1. Yes. Okay. The cat is sitting. Where is the cat? The cat is sitting on on the table. On the table. Yes. For the C1, see that now for the C1, where is the cat? The cat is sitting. Just see that now. Behind. Where is that now? Behind the CPU. The cat is sitting. So what is the preposition there? Where is the cat? Behind. Behind the CPU. Yes. For the D1, now where is the cat? Where is the dog? So we have to mention both. The cat is sitting inside the cupboard. Inside the cupboard, and dog is sitting behind. See, look at the dog is behind the door. Behind the door. Okay, E1. Where is the E1? Where is the dog here? The dog is sitting on the bed. Sitting on the bed. Yes. So always start with capital and end with full stop. Without fail, you have to follow the punctuation there. Okay. F1. See the F1. Where is the dog now? So the dog is sitting where? Children, am I audible for you? Yes, thank you. Okay, the dog is sitting where? So the dog is sitting in front of where? The photo frame. Yes. So for the G1, look at here, cat. Where is cat is hiding there? So the cat is behind. Very good. Behind the shelf. Very good. For the H1, look at the H1. So both are there. So we have to point out where is the cat there. So where is the cat? Otherwise, we'll take out the television there. Okay, children? So now we are going to look at the television only. So the television, where is the television? So the television is between these two, isn't it? Between these two. Those are the dog as well as and the cat. Cat and the dog. Yes. Yes. Are you following, children? Yes. Very good, Sukirtan. Okay, the next one, I1. Where is the I? Yes. Where is the cat here? Where is the cat here? Yeah, cat is sitting. Where is cat is sitting? On the rack, isn't it? On the rack. And one more. Who's that? Dog. And the dog is sitting where? Near the rack. Near the rack. Got it? Very good. For the J1, for the J1, look at here. Bookshelf. A book rack. Yes. So we are now noticing about that book rack only. Between. Very good. Book shelf. Bookshelf is in between. In between the both are cats, isn't it? Both are cats only. In between the cats. Very good. That last one, K1. Where is that dog there? Where is the dog there? The dog is sitting where? Near, isn't it? Near the what system this one? Music system. Near the music system. Near the music system. Children over? Now you have to underline the which one? Preposition there. Here on. So underline the on. On. Then here behind. Very good. For the third one, inside. Here behind. For the D one, on. For the D one, E one, on. Welcome to the F1, in front of. Very good. In front of. Please underline that, in front of. G1, behind. Behind. H1, very good. Between. H1, between. Please underline between for the H1. I1, on as well as near. On as well as near. J1, the bookshelf is where? In or between. Which one is the correct one? Between. Yes, the dog is sitting near. Very good. Did you complete, children? Please, everyone, those who completed, how many of you completed? How many of you completed? Mahati is okay writing. Just complete that fast. We are running out of time there. Yes, Tejashwini. Good start for Tejashwini. Yes, Dikshita completed. Very good. Star for you. Jayshri, excellent. Excellent, Guru Prasad. So multi stars are there for each and everyone. Very good, Janvi. Very good. Whose birthday? Tejashwini's birthday. Very good. Okay, shall we celebrate Tejashwini's birthday, dear? Okay, children. Yes, Girish. Okay, very good. Okay, shall we? Sangeeta ma'am, please unmute them. Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, please unmute them. Now we are going to sing. Okay, we are going to sing a song. Okay, okay, ready now? Shall we sing a song for Tejashwini? Everyone, get ready for that one. Louder, children. Happy. Yes, ma'am. Okay, shall we? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Tejashwini. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Tejashwini. Happy birthday to you. Very good, dear. May God bless you. Have to bless always, dear. Very good. Thank you. Okay, children, did you complete, everyone? Please unmute and show your video. Show your book now. So I would like to see your finished. Very good, children. Yeah, very good. Open and show that now. Very good, Sanmita. Nice. Nice handwriting there. Very good. Remaining children, very good, Sanmita. Completed. Excellent.